Hi guys, this is a new T-Wolf keyboard I got from TechCloud, very budget friendly. Let's go to this. We have soft, and this is USB Type C keycap puller. Here's the keyboard. Blue switches.